We're gonna have fun. We're gonna have some fun together. Yes, we will. 'Cause these are the memories we'll keep.
Anywhere you want to go, I want to go. Anything you want to do, I support. I promise to be your PIC and compliment in all things. I promise to always love you, be proud of you, and to respect you and your choices. I know we can achieve and overcome anything as a team of two willing and present beings. What we have is so special. You are worth my time and you are my equal.
Sweet as the sunshine, starting up the day. Side by side together, and that's where we'll stay. 'Cause these are the memories we'll keep. So hold on tight to every little thing.
Today I take you as my wife, my best friend in life, and my one and only true love. I promise you my deepest love and my fullest devotion through not only the pressures of the present, but also through the uncertainties of the future. I promise to be in truth with you, to have the patience that love demands, to listen completely and understand deeply, and to cooperate the best that I can. I love the way you talk to me. I love the way you think of me. I love the way you look at me. I love the way you want to be with me. Whenever our journey leads us, I will always call you my home. I give you my heart and my life, forever and happily ever after.